Today, we'll work on the pronunciation of G, J, and H. You may have to watch this one more than once, because these three are tricky. Buenos días, colegas, compadres, parceros, vamos a aprender español. I'm Chris, and this is Talk Spanish Talk. G, J, and H share two sounds, or three, depending on how you look at it. If you watched the previous video on the alphabet, you already know that H in Spanish is silent. And so we say almohada, helado, hielo, hongo, and huevo. Also, when H comes after C, it forms che, as in hacha, leche, chile, chocolate, and lechuga. Now, in some words of foreign origin, H sounds just as it does in English. Let's try it. Hamster, hippie, and hobby. Most of these words are spelled exactly as in their original language, and so we keep the same pronunciation. This doesn't happen in cognates though. That is, words that are similar in Spanish and in English, but are not quite the same. For instance, vehículo, vehicle, prohibir, prohibit, helicóptero, helicopter. In these words in Spanish, H is silent. The sound for H in English, again as in hobby, also occurs in J in Spanish, as in abeja, tijera, jirafa, abajo, and jugo. And in G, when it is followed by E or I, as in general or colegio. When G is followed by A, O, or U, it sounds just as G in English, as in ganar, amigo, or aguja. G also keeps that pronunciation in words like hamburguesa or guitarra. When it is followed by UI or UE, G keeps that sound, but the U becomes silent. And it sort of indicates that there is a change in the pronunciation of G. Again, this only happens when you find the combination G-U-E and G-U-I. In words like antiguo or agua, in which you find letters G-U-O or G-U-A, the U is not silent. But you may find that some Spanish speakers will sort of soften the pronunciation of G so that it almost becomes silent. So you may hear people saying agua instead of agua or aguacate instead of aguacate. Finally, following G, you may also find U marked with a couple of dots on top, as in pingüino or bilingüe. We call this mark diéresis, and it indicates that even though you find letters G-U-I or G-U-E, in these words, the U is not silent. Alright, we made it to the end of the lesson. Give us, you and me, a big thumbs up, come back for new videos every week, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and share with your friends. Nos vemos en el próximo video.